7 o'clock. It says on Google Maps that the park closes at 8. Good evening everyone, welcome back to another video. If you are new to our channel, welcome to our channel. Make sure you hit the subscribe button and the little bell icon to get notified when we come out with new videos. So we have been to Queen Sirikit Park in the daytime, and we always wondered what it's like in the nighttime. And after being at to Bangkok and to Lumpini Park at night, we made the trek out here on the BTS to see what it's like out here. Also share it with you guys what it's like at Queen Sirikit Park in the evening. Right at the main entrance, which in the daytime there's a fountain going off here, and the road is right here. So you actually have to get off the BTS or the MRT, walk around, and then straight down the road you'll get to the main entrance here. Easy to get to, and yeah, it's a very natural park. So yeah, we wanted to see what it was like at night, see how lit up it is. And yeah, again, just show you guys what it's like. So we're excited to walk through here. It does close at 8 o'clock. It is about 6:30 right now, so we have some time to walk through and get some shots for you, film some B-roll, and experience the nighttime wilderness here at Queen Sirikit Park. Let's go. All right, so we walked around Queen Sirikit Park and came into Rot Fai a little bit just so that we could get the last little corner of Queen Sirikit. 7 o'clock. It says on Google Maps that the park closes at 8, but it's already closed. So yeah, that is Queen Sirikit, what you guys just saw in the B-roll. Yeah, this part here, there's a lot more lights in Rot Fai Park. It's a lot of people running here, as you guys have saw. And yeah, so if we see anything cool along here, you guys will get some bonus footage of this park, which is connected to Queen Sirikit. It's really cool, very natural here. Queen Sirikit was very dark, as you guys saw. There wasn't a lot to be able to film just because there's not a lot of lights. But here, there's definitely more lights along this pathway where everybody's walking and running. But it's really cool because you look in here and it's like the dark forest, what lingers in there. Alright, so yeah, there wasn't really much to film in there. Where we walked anyway, it probably is more here right at the entrance. So we're just on one of the main roads. This actual road here would take us back to the entrance where Queen Sirikit Park is, and then we'd have to walk all the way around to the MRT or BTS, where if we go this way, we can get to the other MRT or BTS station there. So yeah, it's really easy to get to these parks if you are taking the SkyTrain or the MRT. And definitely worth checking out. It was really cool at night. That one area was like so black. We had to use our flashlights on our phone. It's crazy there wasn't that much lights. And then this park's lit up like crazy. It's like super bright in there. So obviously a lot more people come to Rot Fai Park to run and stuff like that. But yeah, it was really cool. Bathrooms in there. So there's nice clean bathrooms. You guys are seeing where the bathroom thing is right now. And then security as well. You guys are seeing the security guy in the hut. Yeah, so it's all security all through the park. So if you run into any sort of issue, which you wouldn't probably, but say you got hurt or something as well, at least know there's lots of people around, but there's also security around to help you out. So yeah, there you go. That's what Queen Sirikit Park and part of Rot Fai Park is like here at night. And again, like I said, worth the trek out here. If you're at Chatuchak Weekend Market and it gets dark and you want to just hang out somewhere that's refreshing and a lot of nature around, then definitely head over this way. So we'll leave the video off there. If you guys did like the video, please leave a thumbs up. If you haven't yet, hit the subscribe button, hit the little bell icon to get notified when we come on new videos, and we'll see you in the next one. Sawadee.